Guys, check this out. Many people are receiving these UTOT packs for free. Check this out, the number of coins. Your life will be settled after receiving this. What's going on, guys? This is Kedar here. So I was trying to play FIFA Mobile, but I'm getting this error where it says servers are currently under maintenance. Please check back in a few minutes. It says null 0x0010003E8 maintenance underway. Today in this video, we'll be going to check out the exact maintenance schedule officially provided by EA FIFA Mobile. Whether there is any update, we'll be going to show you all the latest information, all the latest tweets. So guys, without further ado, let's get right into all the details. Alright guys, so is FIFA Mobile down for everybody else? Check this out, just 1 hour ago, there is a maintenance going on due to glitch onto UTOT's pack. They didn't even announce themselves to try to solve it, they just did the maintenance to solve the problem with the pack. That's all. FIFA Mobile has become insignificant because of lot of maintenance glitches and slow servers. Why we can't find TOTS player on market after maintenance? But here is the thing guys, this is the thing you love about maintenance, because you'll be going to receive gift package, possibly going to receive some more. So this is the thing to watch out for. So in the gift package, you'll be going to get these items. In the last maintenance that they have provided these gifts. Now let's check it out, the exact maintenance break schedule, what's really going on, how much time it is going to last, when the maintenance is going to end. Alright guys, so let's check it out, the FIFA Mobile Twitter official page for the latest development related updates. Also we'll be going to check out EA help as well. Okay, let's check it out, the FIFA Mobile. Alright guys, so on June 30, they have introduced the UTOTS ultimate teams of the seasons, and here is the thing, after introducing the UTOTS, people are facing lots of glitches, lots of problems and other things of such kind. Here you can see just 14 hours ago, elite performance of the team season got ultimate upgrades. So finally, just 14 hours ago, they have dropped in the update, and then right after that, just 7 hours ago, this is their very recent tweet, the markets will be closed for undisclosed amount of time as we review the current situation. So you can totally understand the depth of the situation guys. They said market will be closed for trading, market will be closed for undisclosed amount of time. They don't know how much time will it take to fix this issue, but they are currently reviewing the situation, what's really going on. And people are kind of frustrated because they spent a lot of money on this game, and why this is happening, this is kind of a really frustrating. Then right after that tweet, they have reviewing the occurrence of within the UTOTS chapter at the reset, where certain users could earn UTOT players and a large amount of coins. Stay posted on our official Twitter for additional information. So they have found out unusual occurrence within UTOTS chapter at the reset, where certain users could earn UTOT players and large amount of coins. So they are trying to fix this issue. Currently, the market will be closed for undisclosed amount of time. They are currently reviewing the situation. This is kind of a crazy that they have left the loophole. People are getting like ultimate TOTS fact, and check this out, the number of coins. You rest assured your life will be settled after receiving these amount of coins and all that. But here is the thing guys, they are trying to fix this loophole. Do let me know if you receive this pack, anything of such kind happen with your game, do let me know. And then just right after that, we have got no tweet guys, there is no update, but as of right now, they are trying to fix these kind of both of these issues with the UTOTS pack. And once I get any latest details on maintenance schedule, I will keep you posted. So make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How To Guys. See you in the next video.